It's recording right now. And this is Odie, and he's getting his exercise, and he is on the treadmill, and he does walk outside too, but this is his exercise. And look at his picture here. This is great exercise. Everybody should do this to their dog and get them to exercise good and be healthy. Yeah, he is healthy doing this. There you go. You like this, Odie? I'm sure you do. And you even got television to watch in here while you're exercising. Wow. I hear the TV going. Got TV. There's a TV going. Wow. See, look here. There's TV. Watch TV. They even got a bird here. The bird's not exercising. We need a treadmill for the bird. Way to go.